How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Jake here, this is PB Quest Outdoors. I appreciate you guys tuning in. In this video, we're gonna be doing an installation video and a review of the boat buckle tie-down system to replace your stock straps in the back of your boat. Stay tuned, you guys are not gonna wanna miss this video.
Might be a new PB, guys.
All right, guys, so here is the boat buckle system itself. They should just pop right out of here. And on the back is your hardware. I'll show you guys now the straps that actually come with this boat. We'll go ahead and do an installation video. I know a lot of people get nervous about the angle of the tracker boat's rear end. See, it hits the lights and stuff like that. So we're gonna see if we can't get this thing installed. All right, guys, so I think this should be pretty straightforward, really. These are the old straps. I'll take the old ones off. A lot of people go to these just because the convenience of not having to take it off. It stays attached, it's waterproof, all that good stuff. And this is what I was talking about, the angle people are always worried about. It comes off at like a 45-degree angle right here, this bottom piece. And this taillight sometimes gets in the way. So you have to angle it. You have to angle it just right. But I don't think we're gonna have any issues. So it's a pretty neat system. We'll go ahead and get it attached real quick. We've got a couple washers. Got a socket and adjustable wrench. Smells like fish back here. It's always a good sign, right? Okay, so we're gonna take a bolt, put a washer on there. Open this up here a little bit. And we're going to slide the washer in there, just like that. Now we'll put it through with another washer on the back here, and get the bolt, secure it on there. And now we'll tighten it down. Go ahead and get it started this way. And I'll turn it where it needs to go. A lot of guys use drills on this. I didn't want to just ream it down and strip something, so. I'm gonna go get another wrench. Or a deeper socket. All right, so I've got a deeper socket here. This should work better. Once it starts getting a little tight, I'll flip it over. Not quite there yet. Okay, now it's a little tight. We'll go ahead and spin this around. I think that's going to be good. So we'll release it. I think right about there is going to be where it needs to go. We'll tighten it down just a little more. All right, there you have it. So to run this, it's locked right now. There's a little release button right here. that releases the strap. And then when you want to wrench it down, there's a lever right here by my finger that you hold while you ratchet. And then that makes it tight. Super easy. Release it, push this button, launch your boat. Awesome. I'm so excited. So excited to use this. We'll go to the other side, do the same thing. All right guys, that does it. So I want to show you right here, you definitely want to make sure that this strap is dead center of this unit right here. If it's off to the side, you can crease up the strap. So just make sure that when you're setting this, you don't over tighten it at first. You set that right to where the strap goes directly into the unit itself and should be good. So just take your time with it. It don't take very long. I'm doing a video and I've only been out here 20 minutes, so. We'll show you a little bit how the operation system works up close so you guys can see it better. All right guys, so here's an actual up close of the video. This moves freely and won't do anything unless you push this clip right here. You have to hold that simultaneously to ratchet it. To release it, all you do is push this gray button and that loosens the strap where you can pull it out freely. Hook it up, releases the strap to lock it in to where you can ratchet. Remember, it's not going to do anything unless you hold this button right here. So hold this button, and that's locked in. Super easy. Guys, that's going to do it for this video. Just little upgrades here and there on the boats you and I have, and we make it into our own. So I hope you guys like the video. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.